This is our home. The village, this is our home. This is our home. We are already here. We are not going anywhere. Yes, this is our home. 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 Being displaced, so we cannot confirm that the city or the people who are handling the positions in the city do study the case of these informal traders when they are newly deployed. So we said that this is one of the problems that we are having in today's issue. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kapo.
Viva! Viva! Hansi! Viva! 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 Africa! Yes, sir! So is our children are in school as well. So what I am saying, the traders are legally and law-abiding citizens, and they have complied with all the rules and regulations of the city, because they do have the smart card. They do receive the monthly rentals from the city of Johannesburg. Asikhuleni phela.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Now my foreigners lapha Johannesburg aqula ingoma athi they are South Africans and this is their home. Guys, South Africa nkosi yami it's a joke. I cannot believe ukuthi bavumela labantu laba ukuthi baye emigwaqeni Johannesburg baquleta ingoma bende mathanza ukulenza. It's just so sad kubona ukuthi bayabavumela bona if ngabe labantu laba bama South Africans balole justice thide emntwana loshonile justice thide eyendo leyendakalile la South Africa kube amaphoyisa owaqolela phana yabaqosha abadubula ngemaraba bullets, but because it's foreigners bayabayekela guys kusibende mathanza. They are even protecting them uma ba protester babagade ukuthi ma South Africans angabendi lutho. Yo cha kwazi kwabamnanzi okuba foreign eSouth Africa, kwazi kwababhlungu ba South African eSouth Africa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.